Hi students, welcome to my channel Pioneer Coaching Center of English, Gaya. I am going to continue my lectures on common errors. Today we will have lecture number 10. Now see question number 1. To die with honor is better than live with dishonor. Remember, when we compare two actions, either in the positive or in the comparative degree, the first one being infinitive, यदि पहली क्रिया जिसकी तुलना हो रही infinitive है 2 plus main number 1, the second one must be the bare infinitive, that is only main number 1. So here the sentence has no error. The answer is number D. The correct sentence is to die with honor is better than live with dishonor. याद रखें, जब भी than, as और and के पहले आने वाली क्रिया यदि infinitive हो तो बाद वाली क्रिया bare infinitive होती हो. यदि पहले आने वाली क्रिया gerund है तो बाद वाली क्रिया भी gerund होती है. Question number 2. It is I who, the relative pronoun, takes its verb as पर the antecedent. रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन के बाद आने वाली क्रिया उसके पहले आने वाले पर्सन के अनुसार होती है. सिंस हु का एंटीसीडेंट आई है तो आई के अनुसार इज नहीं एम होना चाहिए. सो द एरर लाइज इन पार्ट बी. वी मस्ट रिप्लेस द वर्ब इज बाय एम. सो द करेक्ट सेंटेंस स्टूडेंट्स इज नाउ, इट इज आई हु एम टू ब्लेम फॉर दिस बैड सिचुएशन. आंसर नंबर 3. गौरी told me, his name किसी व्यक्ति का नाम मुझे बताई. After he left, both actions telling and leaving are in the past. Now we have to see पहले कौन हुआ बाद में कौन हुआ. Actually पहले उसका रवाना होना हुआ, उसका जाना हुआ और बाद में गौरी ने मुझसे उसका नाम बताया. Remember, पास्ट में जब भी क्रिया पास्ट इन पास्ट के मिले, यानी जो क्रिया पास्ट में पहले हो वो पास्ट परफेक्ट और जो क्रिया बाद में हो वो पास्ट इंडेफिनिट होती है. पहले होने वाली क्रिया ही का निकल जाना, ही का रवाना होना है, अतः ये पास्ट परफेक्ट होना चाहिए. सो स्टूडेंट्स, द एरर लाइज इन पार्ट सी. वी मस्ट रिप्लेस मेन वर्ब टू लेफ्ट बाय द पास्ट परफेक्ट वर्ब हैड लेफ्ट. So the correct sentence is now, Gauri told me his name after he had left. Now come to sentence number 4. John would have told you the truth if you had asked him. Now सचमुच में भी सच बोलने की बात हो तो क्रिया हमेशा tell the truth होती है. यदि आदत की बात हो तो speak the truth होता है. बट यहाँ वास्तव में ऐसा होता. So the verb told is correct. And in the first part, in part A, the tense is future past perfect. So in the adverb clause, it must be in the past perfect that we already have. Hence, there is no error in the sentence. The sentence, John would have told you the truth if you had asked him. The sentence is correct. Come to question number 5. My sister has read pages after pages of the Bible. Remember, when two nouns with preposition forms an adverb, the nouns must be similar. So the error lies in part C. You must replace pages after pages by page after page. Then the correct sentence is, my sister has read page after page of the Bible. Come to the next one, sentence number 6. Your success in the IAS examinations depends, the subject success is given the word depends, main verb number 5. ये बिल्कुल सही agreement है. Third person singular subject, third person singular verb. Not only on what papers you have selected, but on, here we have a correlative conjunction, not only but also, but the second part's word also is missing here. So the error lies in part C. We must use the word also after but. Hence the correct sentence is, now your success in the IS examinations depends not only on what papers you have selected, but also on how you have written them. Sentence number 7, the heavy rain prevented us to go to the cinema. Remember, मना करने वाली क्रिया केवल forbid है जो अपने बाद infinitive लेती है. बाकी जितनी भी मना करने की क्रियाएं हैं, prevent, dissuade, refrain, prohibit, ये सभी अपने बाद object plus from plus gerund लेती है. So the error lies in part C. We must replace to go by from, going to. Hence the correct sentence is, now the heavy rain prevented us from going to the cinema. Now come to question number 8. If the majority of the individuals in a estate prosper, the estate itself would prosper. Now in part A, the subject is majority, a plural noun. तो उसके एग्रीमेंट में पार्ट बी की क्रिया प्रॉस्पर बिल्कुल सही है. द estate itself would prosper. Here part A is verb prosper is in the present indefinite, that is adverb clause is in the present indefinite. The principal clause in such a condition should be in the future indefinite, that is would should be replaced by will. So the error lies in part C. We must change the verb would by to will. So the correct sentence, student, if the majority of the individuals in a estate prosper, the estate itself will prosper. Number 9, if motorists do not observe the traffic regulations, they will be stopped, ticketed, and have to pay a fine. You see, in part B, the verb is passive, will be stopped, ticketed, and in part C, have to pay, the active verb. So we must use will again before have. So the error lies in part C. The correction is use will before have. The correct sentence is, now if motorists do not observe the traffic regulations, they will be stopped, पुलिस वाले उसको रोकेंगे, ticketed, चालान काटेंगे, and they, the motorists, they will have to pay a fine. Number 10, he asked, supposing and if both have the same meaning, we don't use supposing, we use only suppose. So the sentence has an error in part B. Supposing is useless. He asked if he fails. Here in part A, the main verb is past indefinite. In part C, it is also in the past would. So fails is also an error. It must be replaced by failed. Now the sentence is correct. He asked if he failed what he would do. आपको मेरा ये वीडियो कैसा लगा, लाइक करेंगे, ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करेंगे. जिन लोगों ने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, अभी के अभी सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को टच करें और ऑल को क्लिक करें ताकि आप लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस को प्राप्त कर सकें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो.